how much YouTube paid me for a video that got up to 239 views. Now guys, let's get straight into the analytics. When I was shooting this video, I wasn't monetized, so it was like 80 views. And when I got monetized by the end of June, the video is now like 239 views. Let's get straight into the analysis. And the title is like, you wouldn't believe what $50 can get you in Nigeria shopping. This video has like 2.40 minutes, minutes video. It's not even up to 3 minutes. Now you can see that it has up to like 241 views as of when I am filming this particular analysis right now. For you to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hour under 12 months. So the video has gotten up to 5.8 watch hour time and plus 3 subscribers on this particular video. And we are going to be going to the audience retention, which is 1.26 minutes watched, and 76% of viewers are still watching at around 0.30 mark, which is above typical. And right now 7 real-time viewers are still watching the video. Now we go to the impression. 1,400 people have seen this video. Impression 4.5%, which is not bad. And how the viewers find this video external, maybe I share to my Facebook, my WhatsApp, my X, and everywhere. You can see external sites or apps, Google search, find. We have Google Go and Samsung Internet for Android. This is how the viewers are finding my channel. YouTube terms, search terms, Lagos, Nigeria, what? And you can see the content that is suggesting this video. Look at it. Most of them are even my videos, you understand. I have like almost 4 of my videos suggesting this particular video for my audience. Thank you very much if you are watching. Now we are going to be going to the returning subscribers. There's no data for this because the video is not up to 1,000 views, so it's not going to be showing you any data on this. And right now we are going to be going right now to the revenue of this particular video. So are you ready for the revenue of this particular video? If you have been watching this video, thank you so much for watching this particular video. That I just shot this video without even having anything in mind, and this video is going to make me money. We have $2.17 for this particular video. Wow. And we have the watch page as 99.9%, YouTube premium 0.1, and the revenue for every 1K of this video, the RPM is $9.09. And the advertisers are ready to pay $38.68. You can imagine if this video has hit 1,000 views. And we have skipping videos as 90.1%, display ads auction 4.9%, bumper ads auction 4.0%, and the non-skippable video ads auction is 0.8%. So that's how all the earnings came by, earnings by ad and every other thing, how much advertisers pay. And the total amount was $2.17 for a video that got me up to, let me say, 100 and something views, because it was even up to 80 views before I got monetized. So for you to make money on YouTube, there are certain niches that pay money more than the other niches. So if your game or your plan is to make money on YouTube, you should at least look into other niches that can make you money, especially the money niche, business niches. They make you good amount of money. And if you're getting more views on it, you are going to be making more money. Imagine having more views on this video. It's going to actually blast this particular video and get me more money, guys. If you are watching, thank you for always coming back to watch this particular video. And my subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.